Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Really enjoying Zelda Breath of the Wild. I did a couple of shrines, but I really want to try this Nintendo Switch 2 edition. But before I do that, I want to try to get some video by pressing this button here. One time we take a screenshot, and if we hold it, we take a 30-second video. So I'm gonna do that for the beginning scene. I'm gonna start a new game, compare that to the new edition, because I'm afraid if I download the new edition, I can't get back here. So let's do that now. Okay, so the videos we took are under albums here. The quality is not very good compared to the gameplay, but I don't think it's gonna matter. When I do the upgrade, I'm gonna keep all the settings the same, so hopefully it is like comparing apples to apples. Let's head back to the game, go to this Nintendo Switch 2 edition, open eShop. I might pause here if it asks me for credit card or personal information. I'm gonna try to keep that out of the video. Okay, so I am gonna stop and take that phone to scan this QR code to sign in. All done, pretty easy. You log in, put in your credit card information, pay the $10. It took maybe 10 minutes to download. I ran around a little bit and it does feel much smoother. I'm gonna start a new game and try to take the exact same video clips and download them, and hopefully during the edit process we can actually see a side-by-side difference of quality. But I think it's already worth it to me. Video 337 done.